Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I'm your teacher, Miss Sobia is here. It's our maths lecture time. Open your countdown book 2. As today is Monday, 11th January 2021. Subject is maths. Now we are going to do the maths work. Our today's topic is review time. Unit number 9 from page number 152. Today we are going to do the page number 152. Our today's task question number 1 is fill in the blanks and question number 2 tick the correct answers. We will do this work on our book page. I will just explain and you will do your work by yourself. Okay students, take out your maths book, maths countdown grade 2 and open page number 152. Okay, my dear students, all of you open page number 152. Our topic is review time. Students, it is the last page of our unit number 9, time. Is it clear, students? It is the last page of our unit number 9, that is time. Our today's topic is review time. First of all, you will write the short date at the top of your page, that is 11-1-2021. Our first exercise is fill in the blanks. Students, these all blanks, fill in the blanks are based on the time period. Okay students, so read statement with me. Listen carefully. You will fill the blanks by yourself. I will just explain and you will listen carefully. Part A. There are dash hours in a day. You all knows how many hours in a day. Obviously, there are 24 hours in a day. So you will write here 24. Is it clear, students? Statement B. The long hand on a clock is also called the dash hand. Now, I will share a clock with you. The statement is the long hand on a clock is also called the dash hand. So as I have told to you before, there are two hands on the clock. One is the short and one is the long hand. So they are asking the name of the long hand. So long hand will call the minute hand. Long hand, this is the long hand. It is called the minute hand. Is it clear, students? So you will write M-I-N-U-T-E, minute hand. Is it clear? Now come to the statement C. Statement C, the month of June has dash days. The month of June has dash days. So you will count the days of the month of June. You will write here the days. How many days in the month of June? 30, 31st or 28. You all knows we have only 28 or 29 days only in February. Rest of the month has 30th and 31st days. So you will check your calendar and you will write here the month of June has dash days. I will tell you only April, June and November. September, April, June and November has 30th days and all the rest have 31st days. So you will write here 30th. The month of June has 30th days. Now come to the part C, part D. There are dash months and dash days in a year. In a year. So you will tell how many months and how many days in a year. There are 12 months and 365 days in a whole year. You will write here 12 months and 365 days in a year. Now come to the statement E. Dash is the month which has only 28 days. So you all knows which month has only 28 days. February. You will write here February is the month which has only 28 days. Write the spelling of February. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. Statement F. There are dash big marking on a clock face. Okay, now once again I will share a clock with you. It is a watch, and you will check the answer by this clock. They are saying there are dash big marking on a clock face. How many big marking on a clock face? It is the clock face, and you can see on this clock there are 12 big marking. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. You will write here there are 12 big markings on a clock face. You will write here 12. Statement G, and the last one statement of the exercise fill in the blank says there are dash spaces between two markings. So we can take the help by a clock. How many spaces between two markings? Now let's see the clock once again. It is my watch, and I want to share. This is the two marking. Suppose 12 to 1. These are the two marking, and they are asking to us how many spaces between two marking. These short lines between two big marking is 1 2 3 4 5. We will write here there are 5 spaces between two markings. We will write here 5. Once again I want to share, as you can see, between the big marking 1 and 2, these between the two big marking there are the short lines, very tiny short lines. These are called the spaces. There are 5 spaces between two marking. You will write here 5. Is it clear, students? There are 24 hours in a day. The long hand on a clock is also called the minute hand. The month of June has 30th days. There are 12 months and 365 days in a year. Dash is the month. February is the month which has only 28 days. And there are 12 big marking on a clock face. Last one, there are 5 spaces between two markings. Is it clear? Now come to the exercise number 2. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to do the question number 2. Once again from the page number 152. The question is tick the correct answer. Here are 5 statements, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will read the statements and we will put the sign of tick in the correct option. So read the statement carefully. The shorthand on a clock tells us the minutes, the hour. So hurry up, revise your concept. What is the shorthand called? Minute hand or the hour hand? Once again, I will share my watch and you will revise your concept. Here are 2 hands. One is short and one is long. Short hand is the minute hand, short hand is the hour hand, and the long hand is the minute hand. Okay, so we will choose the correct option. The short hand on a clock tells us the hour. You will tick on the hour. Statement B, the long hand goes round the clock. Option is once every hour or once every day. They are asking to you the long hand goes around the clock once every hour or once every day. So let's see this clock. They are asking about this long hand. This long hand goes around the clock once every hour. This hand round the clocks after 1 hour. Once every hour. So you will tick the mark once every hour, not on the once every day. This is wrong. This is right, once every hour. Now statement C, if Monday comes first, the 5th day is Saturday or Friday. So revise the name of the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday is the 5th day. Okay. If Monday comes first, the 5th day is Friday. You will tick on the Friday. Statement D, you can see now the statement D. A fortnight is another word for 1 week or 2 week. Fortnight mean 2 weeks. 2 weeks called fortnight. So you will tick on the 2 weeks. Last statement is E. There are 12 or 24 hours in one day. So there are 24 hours. As you all knows, there are 24 hours in one day. You will tick the 24. Okay, student. Now you will learn these both exercises, fill in the blanks and true false. It is very important for your exams. From page number 152, you will complete your work. Then you will share your work with me. Then I will check your work. Is it wrong or right? Okay, students, hurry up, complete your work. If you feel any difficulty, you can ask to me. I am here for your assistance. Okay, students, take care. Inshallah, tomorrow we will meet with our new unit, unit number 10. Till then, Allah Hafiz.